Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get Broadway tickets for cheap. So let's get started. So first of all, you get on this website, SeatGeek.com/Broadway tickets. And after that, you're gonna scroll down, and in here, you're gonna find all the shows that you're looking for. So let's say, for example, you're looking for one of these shows. Let's say we wanted to go for The Perfect Crime, for example. You're gonna press on here. And in here, it's going to ask you how many tickets do you want. So basically, let's say one ticket for now. And after that, it's going to show you all the available spots that are available. So let's say, for example, we wanted to go in this spot. I'm just going to press on here. And after that, you're going to press on check to go. And after that, it's going to ask you for your email to send you the billing information. So you're basically going to fill in your information here. After that, you're going to press on billing. And it's gonna lead you to the billing website where you have to pay either with your card or basically any online store or basically any other option like PayPal and etc. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.